I'm gonna do a cup. Oh, well, maybe I'll do a cup and a half. Now we're adding a pinch of pink salt. That's a big pinch. I basically just want to keep adding water. Now we're chopping this bad boy up, and I've come to the realization that I probably don't need 2 jalapenos. All right, laying the bread down in here, sizzling. Saw that cheese melting probably. Do a quick little peek of it, not get caught on fire. Oh snap!
Oh no!
I don't know what I did wrong. It's got like a smoky taste to it. What's this burnt part's any good?
Oh no.
No.